Here we are at the 2013 third annual Chili Cook-Off, and we are here to interview some of the people that put all this together. We have come up with some crazy questions for your entertainment, so let's get started.
I'm David Hubbs.
I'm Dale Bell. Dale Bell.
Okay, well, trading places here this evening. So, do either of you know what the Divine-9 is?
Yes, I do.
Please, do tell.
They are a group of people that specialize in making chili.
The 9 hottest HBA women.
Oh, shoot! Kurt, I hope you heard that. I saw your tight pants
right
tonight.
They're all support industries like he and I, but who have come together to do a marketing program to builders, developers.
I have a very personal and intimate question to ask you, Father Monk person. Father Monk person. Who is your favorite Divine-9 member?
I love them all.
Carl Finkenberg, because I work.
That would be between Mr. Frazier, Mr. Morley, and Mr. Bond. They're all terrific.
My chili is so good, it'll drop the hair right off a coon dog.
Tim on the guitar, Tim. Let's give him a hand. All you want to do is ride around Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you want to do is ride around Sally. Ride, Sally, ride.